Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to boot your VIVO V40 phone into recovery mode. So the first thing we're gonna do is power down our phone by holding the power button and clicking on power off. And once it's powered off, we're going to turn it on again, but while holding the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So I'm going to do that. And we're going to hold the buttons until the recovery mode option appears. There we go. So fast boot mode. And then we're going to use our volume buttons to navigate through the menus and the power button to select. So I'm going to select recovery mode and click the power button to go inside of it. And after a while, the recovery mode should be enabled on your VIVO phone. So there we go. Once you're in recovery mode, you can select any option that you want after that and click power off or restart to go back to the normal VIVO phone experience. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.